Welcome to your dream riverfront property on the scenic Saluda River. Nestled in the tranquil beauty of nature, this home has over 5,000 square feet of living space with 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. This one-of-a-kind estate offers over 500 feet of picturesque water frontage, spanning across a massive lot of over 3 acres. Entertain family and friends in the lower level with a large open living space, a grand bar with seating, a game area, and a full second kitchen. All of this leads out onto a private patio directly overlooking the river, where you can walk down to the water, launch a boat from the private boat ramp, or simply sit and enjoy the views. Kayak, canoe, and fish for trout and striper right from your backyard at this iconic home in Lexington, South Carolina. Don't miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to own your own private oasis on the Saluda River.